Yo, what's good YouTube gang? Your boy Jambisco back with another banger reaction, you know, people. Yeah man, you know what time it is. Yeah, today we're back in a building with none other than, Mr. Darkroom himself there with Shane. No. Yeah man, gang, and each other one like 6 days ago, but I wasn't sure if this was part of the war or not. But we'll check it out and see what dog I deal with. The one named Louis Lock the Shift. Yeah man, gang, we'll check it out and see what I go on. I don't know if this is part of the war or if this is a tune, because you don't say the mark of this or nothing, but we'll check it out and see what I go on and see if it is part of the war. You see me? So we're not going to go up the vibes much longer, so Shane I deal with. Yeah man, this is Shane. We Lock the Shift, gang. Let's get it.
Yes sir, all of them. Bad like who? Bad them. No time.
I'm like how they try a sound and they beat a sound and this sound badish.
Oh stop, I rock it. They don't know who man. Who man. Yes so are.
Walk on, they don't know a dog. Walk on.
They don't know who man.
Yeah man, I walk on, so they keep chipping at the one man.
Them don't know. Superman at the office, if you say tell me who's gonna. Missy Susan a scream, Missy two man. Try to defense peace, must see new Obama.
Man say Superman at the office, you know, so who gonna? Who him attack? Who him attack right now, gang? Let me know what I want.
Walk over the beat, look how the fool star my head boss. Tombstone making news, them. You know.
Head boss, Tombstone making news, alright.
Look how the fool star my head boss. Tombstone making news, them. You know, man, who, man. Why a girl, she there, you so a troop, and a girl, you so like you tell me you is just a fool,
I want to go on in a this. I want to go on. I will get it, I get cheap. Call though, you know, call name, me no know what I go on there.
Why a girl, she there, you so a troop, and a girl, you so like you tell me you is just a fool,
Man say, where your girl there? She there so, and you a few. Hey, girl, oh you so lie? You say you're only food man. You tell me say only food in yam. But over here so I do the thing like a mukbang.
She there, you so a troop, and a girl, you so like you tell me you is just a fool, Book a flights up Soul and NY too cool and left blue, mama. Book a.
Hey, this body no? No man.
Fly back a yard, wait cool, them at. When the killers them up and shake it, ooh mama, glue glamour, nook it too good, how the dude and a.
Glue glamour, nook it too good, mama.
Who mama, glue glamour, nook it too good, how the dude and a hustlers too glamour, I fi make it soon, mama. I know we alone a chop all the color man.
Hey, the man a chop lyrics there. This is what Shano is. This is what Shano is good at, bro. If you want Shano, don't give him a chance to make him can chop and do the rhyme. I say like how you know if you give them like a chance to sing, you know give them a chance to like spit and do style on them thing, bro. Yeah man.
We like his ship, we are making money, yeah, we got the bricks.
Yeah.
When me no smoke, yeah, easy, that me sick.
We lucky shift. We got the money, yeah, we. Hey! No, either
we are making money, yeah, we got the bricks. When me no smoke, yeah, easy, that me sick. We da fi kick, brain need a visit. You see the leader, another need a this pick up your girl, watch it pumps.
No man. Hey, I got say about watch it pumps. Watch it pumps, I do.
He got fi sit. Kill a fi who? Me.
I forget y'all my youth, so watch it pumps in AFC.
We like his shit, we are making money, yeah, we got the bricks. When me no smoke, yeah, easy, that me sick. We da fi kick, brain need a visit. You see?
Oh, boy, we brain need a visit.
The teeter, I know that need a this fit. Pick up your girl, watch it pumps, just he got fi sit. Kill a fi who? Me da fi sit. When me a boss it up, no need the media fi sit.
This bad, Shane. Pick up your damn self, you come in.
You next in the line for that, so pick a ticket. Trigger clicking, butterfly, not the one Lara live for cricket. Killers and pull up and on a skip it. Butterfly, it a lick him. Every killer wicked.
Butterfly and it a lick him. Killer wicked on here, brother. Hey, listen to lyrics, bro. Come here.
You next in the line for that, so pick a ticket. Trigger clicking, butterfly, not the one Lara live for cricket. Killers and pull up and on a skip it. Butterfly, it a lick him.
Man say, butterfly. Me no do Brian Lara. This I no cricket this, brother. I know cricket this.
Killer wicked.
Butterfly.
People gun them boy, they now no live for live it. Pull up now my nigga civic now for yaks. I give it. Killer girl up on the.
Man say people them boy they now not gonna live, you know. You see me when I pull up now my dog civic, you know. A problem. Boy have to take with themselves like this a Vegas. Everybody start take with yourself.
For yaks me still a dig it. Be my spin it, all the cops a come, we still a skid it. Sick killers enough, weed a sell, girl a pimp. You can't run in, even if you are running. Son
Clean. That's so much thing you do with dog. Where I say much feel like girl a pimp or go on with.
Up on the front end of the axe, me still a dig it. Be my spin it, all the cops a come, we still a skid it.
Hey, be man, spin it. All when cops are come, we still a skid that. You don't know. Low and tired.
Killers enough, weed a sell, girl a pimp. You can't run in, even if you are running. Son about that thing, we shot a.
I say you can't run in even for our in, bro.
Cash we have a bring sting a brandish in a hand and couple under sing. We lucky shit, we are making money,
yeah, we got the bricks. Talk to them no man. Yo, JWLG, Tyreek, Prodigy, OTV, how one.
When me no smoke, you easy, that me sick. We da fi kick, brain need a
visit. Come in.
I know that need a this pick up your girl, watch it pumps, just eat a fi sit.
Hey, big up yourself.
Kill a fi who, me da fi say. When me a boss it up, no need the media fi say. So I'm on the day fi say. Just a tell
me a boss it up, we don't want the media no dog. You see me all the chatty, hey, move up.
No who's gonna, Missy Susan a scream, Missy two man. Try to keep fence peace, bossy new Obama. Walk over the beat, look how the fool star my head boss. Tombstone, making news, nama.
Yeah man. Head boss, Tombstone, you're making news, dog.
Oh, you know, man, who, man. Why a girl, she there just up a troop, and a girl, you so like you tell me you is just a fool, nama.
Hey, the line the bad.
Book a flight, zap soul, and NY, too cool, and left it blue, mama. Book a flight, back a yard, wait cool, them at. When man the killers, them a par, shaky, do, mama, who, mama.
Shout out to Shane.
Who mama, glue glamour, nookie too good. How the dude and a hustlers 2 grams. I fi make it soon, mama. I know we alone a chop all the color mana.
This man chopping, bro. Man a chop like a weed whacker, brother. Man a chop like cutlass, brother. Like man a chop like what? Me no know what he say. Man a chop, man yo like a blender, like a machete, like a scissor. Hey, see as coach Steve, boy. You don't know what time. Man a chop like oxa blade, yo. J's and pace. Yeah, man, big up yourself, Shane. They want the bad man. I don't want it to the playlist, my youth. Yeah, man, say I'm lucky shift, brother. I them are making money, I them lucky, I them got the bricks. You see me? Yeah, man not play, man. You see me, man, say, yo, we da sell and girl, you see me, I say? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, shout out to Shano, bro. Shano doing his thing, bro. Like, we lucky shift, man. I should have been reacted to this. That I finally got around to it, man. Yeah, but this don't look like it's a this song. It might look not sure some words, but I don't think this a direct. This is just a song he make as a tune to be out there. Add this to the playlist, man. Then do some quality tune and yeah, man. This going to the playlist. Shano, keep doing your thing, bro. You see the war I drop the best in you. I know you can't drop no fuck because the eyes depend you know. You see me? I saw you with every artist. You see me when you're war? You know, say you don't have to drop be about this track, but when you drop tune, you can't drop foolish because, you know, the eyes the pound, so everybody can get to see Shano skills and the quality artist and Shano up there, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Shano a bad artist, man. But yeah, this was not this track, this was a bad tune him drop. You see me? So shout out to Shano. Glad to see that back at it and I put in the work. You see me? So gang, let me know one thing about that one here. I don't know what time it is. Yeah, man, I feel like you show the artist all over so make you know so Jambisco dan Senna. See me and also dropping a request. Yeah, dropping a request for your boy. Yeah, drop a request. Hit me up on Discord. Link is fixed in the description. Yeah, so you can join Discord and become part of the family gang. You don't know what time it is. Let's chop it up. Yeah. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.